Hey everyone! Today I'm making one of my favorite sweet treats, pineapple bars. These are soft, moist, and packed with real pineapple flavor. They're perfect for picnics, parties, or just a cozy dessert at home. Let's get baking. The ingredients we'll be using today is first a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, a fourth teaspoon of baking soda, sugar for coating, and a pineapple. First, preheat your oven to 350 and it'll bake for 30 minutes. Now we will take our pineapple and cut the top off as well as the bottom and make sure to cut off all the outer layer. Now we will cut up the pineapple. Make sure to cut it into smaller parts so that it will fit into the food processor. Now that the pineapple is mashed, make sure to put it into a strainer so that we can separate the liquid from the pulp. Now make sure that you've drained enough pineapple to fit into 1 cup. Next, we will take our 2 eggs and then our cup of granulated sugar, and then lastly, we'll take our half cup of butter and put it in the microwave for 1 minute so it can melt. Once these 3 ingredients are placed in the bowl, we can begin to mix. Now we can add our cup of flour, our 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we also added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once these ingredients have been mixed together well, you should have a gooey texture. After this, now we can add in our pineapple and make sure to fold this in. Now we must butter the pan so that the batter does not stick to it. After this, we finally can place the batter into the pan and make sure to flatten it out so it hits all the sides evenly. Now we can place it in the oven for 30 minutes. After it's taken out, let it cool down for 10 minutes and then place powdered sugar on top of it. Now you can cut it into bars and enjoy. That's it. These pineapple bars are soft, sweet, and full of juicy pineapple, and they disappear so fast.